Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about the Solana chart. On the Solana chart, we are going to take a look here at the microstructure, micro patterns, and what currently seems probable. And then we're going to take, but first, we are going to take a look at the larger time frame, just zooming out a little bit. And this is the 4-hour time frame. Really, the focus should be on this entire 5-wave move to the upside from the June 23 lows. So we already, as you can see, formed 5 waves up. So that means the top could absolutely be in on this time frame. We have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. That 5th wave is only a 3-wave move. However, I'd prefer one more high, but this has become far less probable. So obviously, if we, as I said, break below the Sunday low, I think the yellow count, which allows for one more extension, it doesn't make it doesn't really, it doesn't make any sense to follow that anymore. It would then be the red count, in which these 5 waves have topped already. Well, what would then be the count? We talked about it. If I go to the 8-hour chart, you see that actually we would then say, and I haven't got it all on this short-term chart listed, we actually showed that on the larger time frame, but this here would be a wave 1, a wave 2, all of this would be a wave 3, then this is the wave 4, and this move up would be the wave 5. Okay, so 5 waves up overall then, so at least one more high into all-time highs should happen. Ideally, I wanted to see one more high because it would have given us better confluence with larger time frame upside and all-time high targets. But okay, if we finish that 3rd wave here soon, then it is what it is, right? So at the moment anyway, there is no confirmation of a low in place yet. Also, Bitcoin is a bit weak. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. Basically, it's therefore, and that's just in simple terms, in case you are not so interested in the overall context or microstructures, whatever. But in simple terms, it's all about, do we get one more high in wave 3 in yellow? And basically it would be wave 5 of 3. So do we get basically one more high in that scenario? Or have we already topped in that 3rd wave here? And the top was then on the 18th of March, and we're now in a 4th wave pullback and would then get one more high. So for me, it's either wave 4 now, then wave 5, or finishing off wave 3, then 4, then 5. So it's all, still a bullish scenario at the moment, okay? But we're obviously, without a doubt, currently in a pullback. The correction isn't over yet, and if it is, we haven't seen any evidence. First indication, or let's say evidence I wanted to see, was a 5-wave move up, which I sketched out for you yesterday. Market failed in providing us with this 5-wave structure. As you can very clearly see, hopefully, the rally was only in 3 waves. That is really clear. A wave, B wave, C wave. So we have a 3-wave rally. We actually have a possible 5-wave move down, which is, when we want to stay objective, an indication that we will see further downside. That's the same pattern I've seen on the Bitcoin chart. Now, we have to say Bitcoin is probably leading here. So therefore also we have very similar structures here on the Solana and the Bitcoin charts together. Now, if Bitcoin does in the end take the lower probability path and breaks to the upside, then Solana will likely do that as well. I think it's worth understanding that we can get one more low in the red A wave of a larger 4th wave, but we need to stay below $156.50 pretty much, so yesterday's high. Yeah, and that count is favored because we've seen a 3-wave rally and 5 waves down. And it would basically be something like, okay, wave 1 down, wave 2 up, wave 3 down, 4 up, 5 down. Okay, so we might just make a marginally lower low in that 5th wave and then complete the A wave here. And the next main support level is already on the chart, $108.35. But it's obviously crucial that we are watching for a 5-wave move up as a reaction to any support level. At the moment, there is no 5-wave move up. It can carry on in the 5th wave of the 3rd wave in yellow. That would mean we go up further from here. But that is only a potential, only a possibility. There is no reliable trade setup. I'm not going to give you a support zone for that. And it takes a break above 156.50 to confirm that. It's only a 3-wave rally. From an objective point of view, I cannot favor this. Of course, it's possible. Now, the yellow count, however, shows you how it would then unfold if it happens. And it would be a C wave to form a larger A, then a B, and a C to wrap up wave 5 of 3. That's currently how I see the Solana chart. For further confirmation that the red count is playing out, we need to see a break below today's low, and that was formed at $130. That's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.